see the window behind me? It's so dirty and it's really visible on my workout videos, which is embarrassing. So I gotta get to work. Okay, so the inside is done. I have to go outside. So I decided to do like a really awesome upper body and abs workout series for the Z Gym members because they've been asking me a lot to do something that's gonna be super brutal and really focused on upper body, back, arms and abs. So because of that, I had to get a new equipment, like a pull-up bar. So this is what I got. It's gonna be like this stand-up pull-up bar that I can put into my studio over there. That's gonna be a lot better than going to Jesse's garage / man cave and trying to do pull-ups there, because I would have to be running from the studio to the garage, and this way it's way more convenient. So I'm super excited. So now I just have to put all of the pieces together. I guess I have all of the pieces that I need. This is what it's gonna look like. But check this out. That's a lot of steps and a lot of screws. Base is done. What's next? Step number 2. It started all so easy, and this screw was like the most frustrating thing ever. I'm not looking forward to the other side. Okay. I think I'm missing some pieces. What is this? Where is it? Where is it? It's not here. So that's why it was so frustrating, because I was using the wrong tool, but it's not my fault because that's what came with it. So Jesse gave me his tool. It's better.
Here you go. Look at that. Watch.
Sure.
Where's the ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that. That
there you go.
That sounds like fun more than looking like fun. What I was doing.
There you go.
I'm still so slow, but this is so much better. Oh my god, it's such a great tool. So, as it turns out, I put the wrong bolts into the wrong holes. So now I have to redo everything and start all over. I just can't wait to do the workout because I'm gonna put all of my frustrations into the workout. And I'm just gonna finally feel relaxed. I had to call Jessie for help because I'm getting so frustrated and I wasn't getting it right anyway, so. Oh well, it's the girl. It's the girl with nuts and bolts. So, it looks like it's done. I'm gonna give it a try now. We should put it away from the window. If I fall, I don't know.
It's not gonna fall backwards. How's it feel?
It feels hard. I haven't done this in a long time. But it's good. It seems sturdy.
Yeah?
Yeah. Cheating pull-ups.
Cheating pull-ups. Well, if you just cut your legs out and I just zoom up on top, you can do like 100.
Yeah, like this.
Look at that. Oh my God, look how strong you are. Oh my God, look how fast you're going. Look how amazing you are. It's awesome.
And one arm.
Look how good. Oh, yeah, one arm. Yeah, look at that. That's incredible. How did you get to become so good at
No
pull-ups?
arms.
Yeah, totally.
You got a little sweaty.
A little sweaty, yeah. Had to come save the day. That's what I do. Save the day.